How to level up in Fire Kirin. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily level up. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the top, there's a bar where you can see in which level you are. So in my context, I'm in level 2. So how do you level up or increase the level? So it is quite easy. So accumulating more XP will automatically get you to level up. So how do you do it? Now here, there are different games that you can select from. So simply tap on the game that you want to play and tap on start. So in order to have level up, you can simply start spinning and spending money in the game. So after you do it, after a couple of times, here you can see the change in the bar on the top. So this will automatically get you level up and increase the level inside the game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.